Okay, this is chapter number second, unit and measurement, class 11. So here already in class 9th and 10th में आप लोगों ने that is already पढ़ रखा है CGS system क्या होता है, SI system क्या होता है, that is MKS system क्या होता है, FPS system क्या होता है. तो first one is a CGS system. एक ऐसा system, one of the system in which the centimeter is a unit of length. Next one is gram, that is mass, and the last one is second, it is a unit of time. एक ऐसा सिस्टम जिसमें लेंथ को मेजर करते हैं सेंटीमीटर्स में, मास को ग्राम्स में एंड टाइम को सेकेंड में, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ CGS सिस्टम. The system in which the length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in grams and time is measured in second, called a CGS system. Now the second one is that is MKS system. CMKS. Length is measured in meters, mass is measured in kg and the time is measured in second. एक ऐसा सिस्टम जिसमें मास को मेजर करते हैं kg में, लेंथ को करते हैं मीटर्स में and the time is measured in second, that system is called a MKS system. Third is FPS system. एक ऐसा सिस्टम जिसमें the length is measured in foot, mass is measured in pound and time, that is seconds. One of the system in which the length is measured in foot, mass is measured in pound and time is measured in second, the system is said to be FPS system. Okay, इसके बाद that's a fourth one, that is SI system है, that is International System of Unit. International System of Unit ये that is a modification किया गया है किसमें, that is MKS system में. So we can say this is a modified form of MKS system. For example, आपने क्लास 9th में किया था, that is what is the unit of force, what is the unit of force, that is Newton. So this is in SI system. What is the unit of work, energy, that is joule, already done in class 9th. Now see here are four systems. One is called CGS system, second is called MKS system, third is called FPS and the fourth one is SI system. तो प्लस वन में we will use that is SI system as well as a CGS system. दो ही सिस्टम हम लोग यूज करते हैं प्लस वन के न्यूमेरिकल जब आपने सॉल्व करने हैं. Okay, so here see बेसिक फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज के बारे में पढ़ते हैं थोड़ा सा. तो सी दिस वन, अपने पास एक बॉडी है. ओके, आज तक आपने ये नहीं सुना है कभी भी कोई बॉडी बिना मास के नहीं हो सकती. यस, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल दैट द बॉडी इज massless. So here suppose that is a body, this is a particle, let the mass of this body is कैपिटल है. अभी लिस्ट वन थिंग, ये बॉडी यहाँ पे है, पॉइंट ए के ऊपर है. अब ये यहाँ से चली और पॉइंट बी पे पहुंच गई. एंड द बॉडी स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए एंड दिस इज एट पॉइंट बी. ओके, हियर सो ही सी इट ट्रेवल अ डिस्टेंस, it travels a distance. Okay, second very important that इनिशियल टाइम तो यहाँ पे हमने जीरो लिया, लेकिन लिसन वन थिंग, जीरो टाइम पे यहाँ ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि बी पॉइंट पे ऊपर पहुंच जाए. सो थर्ड वन दैट इज इट विल टेक टाइम टू रीच फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू बी. ओके, पहला बॉडी हैव अ मास सेम. सेकेंड, व्हेन इट मूव्स फ्रॉम पॉइंट टू ए टू बी इट covers a distance that is length. Okay, third, it takes time t. So here we have three fundamental physical quantities. What are these? Number one, mass denoted by letter capital M. Second is length denoted by letter L, and the third one is टाइम t. सो बेसिकल फिजिकल क्वांटिटी जो +1 में हम स्टडी करेंगे, ये तीनों के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे इस चैप्टर में, और लास्ट तक यही यूज करेंगे. these three physical quantities, what are these? mass, length, time. yes, mass, length, time. ओके जो इसका फंडामेंटल यूनिट है मास का, दैट इज इन केजी. लेंथ का फंडामेंटल यूनिट है, दैट इज मीटर्स. एंड टाइम का फंडामेंटल यूनिट है सेकेंड्स. okay, we will study in this chapter about the mass, length, time. Mass is denoted by letter M, length is denoted by letter L, time is denoted by letter T. And fundamental unit of mass is kilograms, fundamental unit of length is meters, and time is seconds. So what are these? M, L, T are the basic fundamental quantities. Now listen one thing, we have 7 fundamental units, okay, and 2 supplementary units. So what are these fundamental units? Number 1, this is, first one is mass. Basic, this is a basic physical quantity. And what is the fundamental unit? Fundamental unit is kilogram, and symbol kilograms, and symbol is kg. Second is length, okay, and here fundamental unit, that is meters, denoted by letter M. Third, time, yes, seconds, written by letter S. Fourth, temperature, that is in Kelvin, denoted by letter K. 5, electric current, that is ampere, denoted by letter A, that is a symbol for this one. 6, luminous intensity, that is candela, denoted by letter CD. And the last fundamental unit is quantity of matter. Quantity of matter, that is mole, symbol is MOL. So there are 7 fundamental units. What are these? Mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, quantity of matters. Okay, what are the symbols for mass? kg, length M, meters, time, seconds S, temperature Kelvin K, electric current amperes A, luminous intensity candela CD, and the last one is quantity of matter MOL, mole. Okay, after this we have 2 supplementary physical quantities. 2 supplementary physical quantities. So what are these supplementary? Number 1 is a plane angle. Which one? Plane angle. And supplementary unit for this one is radian. Radian, and this is denoted by our symbol is RAD. Second is, that is solid angle, okay, steradian, denoted by letter SR. Okay, so there these 2 are the supplementary units. So hope that आपको ये समझ आया होगा. अपने पास फंडामेंटल यूनिट कितने हैं? 7, और सप्लीमेंट्री यूनिट कितने हैं? 2 हैं. लेकिन हमने मोस्टली फिजिकल, कितनी फिजिकल बेसिक क्वांटिटीज का स्टडी करनी है? दैट इज वी हैव टू स्टडी ओनली मेन, दैट इज 3. व्हाट आर दिस? मास, लेंथ एंड टाइम. मास, लेंथ एंड टाइम. Okay, I hope that this is clear. Mass, length and time. Now see here, the next one is that few important definitions here. That is called a sum. That is you can see that's a practical units. What are the practical unit to measure the length? So first one is astronomical unit. तो फर्स्ट वन इज एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट, जो लार्जर डिस्टेंस मेजर करने के काम आता है. ओके, सी हियर, astronomical unit, what is this? Is sun. Okay, this is sun, this is center of sun, and this is earth, and this is center of earth. The average distance from the average distance from the sun to the earth, or the mean distance from the center of the sun to the center of earth, is called the astronomical unit. So mean that it is a unit of which one? It is a unit of length. Astronomical unit is a unit of length. How we can define this one? The distance from the center of the sun, or the mean or the average distance from the center of the sun to the center of earth, is called astronomical unit. तो इसको denote किस तरह से करते हैं? AU से. So see here how to find this one. So you know the formula already आपने किया हुआ है. Speed equal to distance upon time. So distance equal to speed into time. So distance, that is this distance, how you can calculate? Speed of light, that is c, time t. तो आपको पता है speed of light कितनी होती है? 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. And how much time takes? For approximately 500 seconds. Second get cancelled, so multiply 5 3 the 15 into 10 raised power 8 9 10 meters. So you can write that is 1.5 into 10 raised power 11 meters. Okay, so what is the value of one astronomical unit? So one astronomical unit is 1.5 into 10 raised power 11 meters. I hope that this is clear how to find the distance from the center of the sun to the center of earth, and this is called the astronomical unit. Okay, the second one is light year. Light year, बेटा year लगा है पीछे, ये सोच के ये मत लिख लेना कि this is a unit of time. No, this is also a unit of distance. So please remember this one. Light year is a unit of distance. So किस तरह से distance का unit है हमने define करना है इसको. Okay, so see here what is written here? Light, and here year. The distance traveled by the light in 1 year. The distance traveled by the light in 1 year. एक साल में 1 year में light ने कितनी distance travel करी? That is called the light year. So how to find? Again we have to use formula speed equal to distance upon time. So distance, what is distance? Light year. Okay, what is the speed? 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. Hope that this is clear. Now 1 year में how many days? 365 into 24 into 60 into 60 seconds. I hope that this is clear. 1 year में 365 days होते हैं, एक डे में 24 hours होते हैं, 1 hour 60 minutes, 1 minute 60 seconds. So this second get cancelled. So when you multiply this one, you will get 9.46 into 10 raised power 15 meters. Approximately, you can write 9.5 into 10 raised power 15 meters. So this is the value of 1 light year. Okay, I hope that this is also clear. 1 light year. Okay. Third one is parsec. So third one is parsec. So parsec को कैसे डिफाइन करना, तो इसको पहले एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं. सपोज दैट कोई बॉडी इस तरह से सर्कल में मूव कर रही है, ये इसका सेंटर है, ये इनिशियल पॉइंट ए है इसका, एंड दिस V इज द फाइनल पॉइंट है इसका. जब बॉडी सर्कल में मूव करी फ्रॉम पॉइंट टू ए विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस सेंटर, तो यहां पे इसने एंगल थीटा बनाया, that is angle theta. And what about this one? This OA is radius, this O is radius. And what about AB? This is arc, this is arc. So how you can define this angle? That is angle equal to arc by radius. So angle is theta, arc is, that is AB, okay, and radius, that is, let it is r. So by this method you can find this AB is arc. Arc is a distance, that is r into theta, or you can find this r, okay, that is r equal to AB by theta. So this is a basic how you can use this method to find the parsec. So here parsec, it is also unit of distance beta, unit of distance. Don't see here, this is sec, तो sec से ये मत समझना this is a unit of time. No, parsec is a unit of larger distance. Okay, so how to find this parsec? Okay, suppose that this is same case, body, this is A point, this is B point. अगर एक स्टार जो है 1 एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट की आर्क बनाता है ए से बी तक, एंड सी हियर इट सबटेंडेड एन एंगल थीटा इज 1 सेकेंड, theta is 1 second, then this distance, this radius is called 1 parsec. Okay, 1 parsec is the radius of a circle. See here how to write the definition. 1 parsec is the radius of a circle at the center of which an arc of circle, how much? An arc of circle is 1 astronomical, subtended an angle of 1 second, subtended an angle of 1 second. Again मैं repeat कर रहा हूँ, how to write the definition, क्रैम नहीं करना है, simple language में आपने समझना है इसको. अगर देखिए सिंपल सी बात है, यहाँ पे आर्क कितनी है, सर्कल की आर्क कितनी है 1 एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट, और कितना एंगल सबटेंड किया इसने 1 सेकेंड, तब इस रेडियस को हम क्या बोलते हैं 1 पार्सेक. सो 1 पार्सेक इज इक्वल टू आर, हाउ मच आर्क 1 एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल, एंड एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय दिस इज 1 सेकेंड. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस वन, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस वन. सो हियर 1 सेकेंड, ओके, ये ऑलरेडी हमने किया हुआ है, दैट इज पाई अपॉन 60 into 180 in radian. Okay, अब we can use a formula. See here, angle equal to arc by radius. So what is angle? Angle is 1 second. Arc is 1 astronomical unit upon radius. Radius is 1 parsec. So 1 parsec equal to 1 astronomical unit upon 1 second. Okay, I hope that is clear. Now you can put the value of this one. What is the value of 1 astronomical unit? 1 point, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने किया 496 into 10 raised power 11 meters upon what is the value of this 1 second? This is pi upon 60 into 60 into 180. Then when you solve this one, you will get 3.1 into 10 raised power 16 meters. So this is 1 parsec. So how can find this value? Very simple. यूज फॉर्मूला, एंगल इक्वल टू आर्क बाय रेडियस. आर्क कितनी है 1 एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल, एंगल कितना है 1 सेकेंड. 1 सेकेंड कैसे निकालते हैं मैंने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया हुआ है. हाउ कैन कन्वर्ट दैट इज डिग्री इनटू रेडियंस, वहां पे हम लोगों ने किया है. सो 1 पार्सेक इज इक्वल टू 3.1 इंटू 10 रेज़ पावर 16 मीटर्स. आई होप दैट दिस इज क्लियर. एनी डाउट? उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वन, द टॉपिक इज नेक्स्ट वन, what is the relation between these physical quantities, these relations. Okay, so here heading is relation between astronomical unit, light year and parsec. Okay, so you know the value. See here, 1 astronomical unit, what is the value? 1.5 approximately into 10 raised power 11 meters. 1 light year, right now down, this is done 9.46 into 10 raised power 15 meters. Okay, and 1 parsec, how much? 3.1 into 10 raised power 16 meters. Okay, so 1 light year upon 1 astronomical unit, that is 9.46. You can take approximately 9.5 into 10 raised power 15 divide by 1.5 into 10 raised power 11. Meters get cancelled. So you will get here approximately 6.3 into 10 raised power 4. So 1 light year equal to 6.3 into 10 raised power 4 astronomical unit. This is the relation between a light year and astronomical unit. Similarly, 1 parsec upon 1 light year. Yes, you can put this value. What is the value of 1 parsec? 3.1 into 10 raised power 16 upon 1 light year. What is the value of 9 light year? Approximately you can take 9.5 into 10 raised power. What is the value here? 15. So when you solve this one, you will get 3.26. So what is the value of 1 parsec? 1 parsec equal to 3.26 light years. Third, this is a homework to you. That is, you have to find the relation between a parsec and astronomical unit. This is a homework to you. और ये कमेंट करके मेरे को बता देना है आपने कितना आंसर आता है. थैंक यू.